For centuries, the Great Pyramid of Giza has stood as a testament to the ingenuity and mystery of ancient Egypt. Today, we unveil a groundbreaking discovery that has fascinated historians and archaeologists alike. The Great Pyramid, built during the 4th dynasty by Pharaoh Khufu, is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Standing at 146 meters, it was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. This marvel of engineering was constructed using over 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. Recent advancements in technology led to the discovery of a secret hatch atop the pyramid, sparking immense curiosity and speculation. But what secrets does it hold? Using muon tomography, a technique that detects cosmic rays passing through structures, researchers identified a hidden chamber that had eluded archaeologists for centuries. To fully appreciate this discovery, we must delve into the rich tapestry of ancient Egyptian history, spanning over 3,000 years. From the early dynastic periods to the height of the New Kingdom, Egypt's civilization was marked by remarkable achievements in architecture, art, and science. One of the most iconic figures of ancient Egypt is Cleopatra VII. Her reign marks the end of the Ptolemaic dynasty and the beginning of Roman influence in Egypt. Cleopatra's political acumen, romantic liaisons with Julius Caesar and Mark Antony, and her tragic end have made her a lasting symbol of ancient royalty. The opening of the secret hatch could potentially rewrite what we know about the Great Pyramid and ancient Egyptian civilization. Potential findings could include burial artifacts, hidden texts, or even clues about the pyramid's construction methods. This discovery could provide unprecedented insights into the lives of those who built these magnificent structures. As we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of the Great Pyramid, each discovery brings us closer to understanding the grandeur and mystery of ancient Egypt. Stay tuned as we reveal more about this incredible civilization. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.